आज का टॉपिक मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट वर्नियर कैलिपर. After machining the components for the checking the dimensions, various measuring the instruments are using the dimension must be the within the tolerance provided in the drawing. जो ड्राइंग रहता है उसके अंदर टॉलरेंस दिखाया रहता है कि कितना ड्राइंग का कितना जॉब का साइज है और टॉलरेंस के हिसाब से वर्नियर का यूज करते हैं कितना है कितना नहीं है. Least count. The smallest value that can be the measured by the measuring instrument is called its least count. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. This measuring instrument. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper used for the measuring liner dimension like the height, length, depth, and inside the outside diameter. वर्नियर से हाइट नाप सकते हैं, लेंथ नाप सकते हैं, डेप्थ नाप सकते हैं, डीप, इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड डायमीटर नाप सकते हैं, आईडी ओडी नाप सकते हैं. मेन स्केल वर्नियर स्केल और दिस इज द इनसाइड जॉ, इससे इनसाइड नापते. आईडी इनसाइड मेजरिंग सरफेस, दिस इज अ outside measuring surface, and this outside measuring jaw. Deep standard surface, deep bar, इससे डीप नाप सकते हैं. मेन स्केल graduation, set screw, this is a screw for main scale, this is a scale 10 20 20 30 40 50 60 15 तक दिया है, 15 सेंटीमीटर. डायल वर्नियर कैलिपर, दिस इज अ डायल वर्नियर कैलिपर, दिस इज घड़ी and this is measurement 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 0. फिर 10 20 40 50 90 0. Least count of a dial vernier caliper is 0.02 mm और 20 माइक्रोन्स तक नाप सकता है ये डायल वर्नियर. जो आपको माइक्रोमीटर used to the measure lining dimension like thickness and inside outside diameter. मिटियोटा कंपनी है, 0 से लेके 25 mm तक नाप सकते हैं इससे, इस माइक्रोमीटर से. फ्रेंच, अनविल्स, स्पेंडल, क्लैंप, सिल्वे, थंबनेल, डेस्कटॉप, लॉक, क्लैंप, and this index line 1 mm increments, this 100 0.01 mm increment, half 0.15 mm increments. Least count of micrometer, it's 0.01 mm or 10 microns. This is the inside micrometers for using ID measurement. Bore gauge is used for the specific measurements of the holes. It's the computers. Suppose we want to measure a hole of a 50 to 0.5 mm diameter, then we set the bore gauge with the 50 mm mustard rings or with the help of a micrometer. Then the readings observed of the bore gauge will the measuring holes is either higher than the 50 mm of or lower than 50 mm, that the variations is the reading should be within the tolerance of 0.05 mm as a specific of on the drawings. This dial used in the bore gauge can have a least count of 1 micron to 10 micron depending upon our tolerance. Specific is the drawings. Generally, LC of the measuring instruments should be 1 to 5 of a tolerance specific. This is a bore gauge image and this is a tolerance size and this is a dial. Height gauge is used to measure liner dimension like length and height of the components. This is image of a height gauge. Height gauge is also kept on the surface plate. Earlier highest gauge used were like vernier caliper having a list count of a 0.02 mm, but now the digital height gauge are also available with a list count of a 0.01 mm. Height gauge are used in associations with the dial gauge. Height gauge can be also be used as a computer. This is slip gauge box. Slip gauge box contain the hydrant and the ground Paris block of a steel having and the exact size they are bound together to build desired dimensions. Slip gauge is used to build required size and set the bore gauge. The bore gauge set or a micrometer as a error of about 10 microns, whereas bore gauge set on a master ring or slip holder doesn't having any error.